Okay guys, so since we've been talking about the 7 wonders of the ancient world in class, we are going to be making an online collage of your 3 favorite online wonders of the ancient world. So this app is called Photor. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into Google, into your search bar, and type in fotor.com, and it should take you to this page. And I chose the classic collage, but you could choose any which one, but my tutorial is going to be on the classic collage because I feel like that is the most simple to figure out. And then it should take you to this page. It will start you off on a double collage, but since we're doing 3 wonders of the ancient world, you're going to want to go right here and click the triple collage. Okay, and it should show up like this. So, since you might need a little refresher, you want to Google the 7 wonders of the ancient world, and right here it will list them. So once you figure out which 3 are your favorite, you get to Google it again on Google Images. I chose the Hanging Gardens of Babylon because I think it's pretty. And I chose this picture, so you're going to want to save this picture. You're going to right click and hit Save Image, so it'll be in your computer. And then I'm going to go back right here, and I'm going to click on the top one. It'll be outlined in black instead of brown or tan, so you know that's the top one you're working with. And you're going to go up here and click Open Computer, and it'll load. You get to ignore all my screenshots. I went to Downloads, and right here has the Hanging Gardens of Babylon, and it should be uploaded in there. And it'll go from your import. It'll go from your import, and you'll drag it to the top one, and there you go. It'll be in there. And that's exactly what you do with all of the other ones, alright? So you can print this out, and screenshot it and email it to me, and we will be presenting these in class on Friday, and you'll be explaining why they're your 3 favorite 7 wonders of the ancient world. Alright guys, if you have any questions, just email me. Thanks for watching. Good luck.